Good afternoon, everyone. It is June 28th for fourth period at Kyushu Institute of Technology in Iizuka, English 7D. So first, please let me apologize. Last week, I was not feeling very well, and I was thinking that maybe I should stay home just in case. It might be COVID-19. It was not, thankfully enough, but I want to be extra careful because COVID is going up again in Japan. And I'm probably going to be wearing my mask for the rest of the semester. Okay, speaking of the rest of the semester, let's take a look at first last week's schedule. As far as I can tell on the walking video, most of you did your walking videos, 24 people, but some people did not yet. Okay, please make sure that you do that walking video. And the vocabulary quiz, it looks like, well, there were, here you can see 58 attempts. That's pretty good. For most of you, you probably did it 2 times or 3 times. That's a pretty good count. I'm pretty happy with that. Most of you managed to actually do that without being in class with them. If you haven't yet, these are the slides that, oh, I can show you that. Over here, I prepared the slides that I wanted to use with you last week, so you could download them and look at them, but they're fairly important in content, so I actually want to practice them this week as well, too. Okay, so that was last week. Good work. Now this week, okay, we have another Quizlet set down here, another Quizlet set, this time from Unit 9 and 10 of the textbook, and that, oh, very strange. ちょっとそのね、録画はちょっと変かもしれません。突然ね、止まりました。ちょっと待ってください。ここからね。ちょっと待って。移します。あれ映れないのごめんね。また Zoom を使わないといけない。ごめん。ごめん。そして、OK。Net. And no audio. And got it. Okay, じゃあ、let me start that again. I'm very sorry. I don't know why the recording stopped right in the middle. Okay, so let's get back to what I was talking about. Okay, come on. Okay, so today is June 28th, and we have a couple of things to do. One is the Quizlet that we're going to be doing as soon as I'm finished this recording, and that will help you with your vocabulary quiz number 5. So pay attention to what we're going to be doing today. Also, you have a listening quiz this week, and this listening quiz is right there. That one is due on July 4th. And you don't have to look at this, but if you thought that you had problems with your walking video, okay, this is a video that I made of me doing a video. So you have to do one more walking video, and I suggest that you watch this to give you an idea of maybe how to reflect on what you did before. And then don't forget you have your reflection that you always have to do by tonight before 11 p.m. Now, we also need to talk about the rest of the classes. So from July 5th, that's class number 12, class number 13, class number 14. There are only 3 more classes left for normal classes. Class 15 and class 16 are the 2 tests, okay? Now, there were 2 tests. Okay? In the midterm test, you did a speaking test, and in the final test, we'll do that again. We have 1 more speaking test, and right now I have that scheduled for August 2nd. The week before, you have a Moodle test where you're doing what you did in the listening quiz, the reading quiz, all of that. that will be a separate test that you'll take another week at the end of the semester. Now, right now, I'm thinking to to have those tests in this order: Moodle test and then conversation test. But I think I'll switch that. I'll put the conversation test in week 15 and the Moodle test, the writing test, on week 16. I think that will be better for you, because class 14, 13, and 12, it would be better if you did your test right after we did the normal classes that you have to prepare for that. Also, class 13, okay, this class, that will be an important class for two things. That will be your second walking video, and that is also when I'm going to set the pairs and the groups for the speaking test. So that class 13 on July 12th, please make sure you come to that class. Last time, some of you didn't come to the test, the class before the test, and you had to be put into a group very, very quickly. So July 12th, please make sure you come to that class. Okay, otherwise, those are your assignments, and those are the announcements for today. We're going to be doing some Quizlets soon, but if you have any questions about any of this, don't worry, you can always contact me at my email. Otherwise, let's have a good class today.